माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेरी वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम श्वेता है। मैं एक फैशन मॉडल हूँ, एक फिटनेस एंथुजियास्ट हूँ और ट्रैवल एंड लाइफस्टाइल पर व्लॉग्स बनाती हूँ। आई नो कि आप में से बहुत सारे लोग मुझे देसी मेकओवर्स के थ्रू जानते हैं फॉर माय क्रेजी क्रेजी हेयर मेकओवर्स और हाउ आई हैव कट माय लॉन्ग ट्रेसेस टू दिस शॉर्ट। सो अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो मैं उसकी भी लिंक यहाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप बाद में देख सकते हैं। और यहाँ इस चैनल पर ये मेरा पर्सनल स्पेस होगा। यहाँ पर मैं आपसे फिटनेस, लाइफस्टाइल, ट्रैवल, मेरा मॉडलिंग वर्ल्ड, मेरी आईटी लाइफ, इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ। तो चलो मैं आपको आज के वीडियो के बारे में बता देती हूँ। आज का मेरा वीडियो है एक सिंपल मॉर्निंग योगा रूटीन जो मैं हर दिन फॉलो करती हूँ ऑन माई एम्प्टी स्टमक एज आई वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग। सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू। बस आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू गाइस कि आप वीडियो का इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करें, एक बार देखें कि वो सब आसनास कैसे करना है, सो दैट आप अपना बैक या नेक हर्ट ना करें। सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू गाइस टू प्लीज़ फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस। वंस यू वॉच द वीडियो, आफ्टर दैट आप ये रूटीन फॉलो कर सकते हैं। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Sit comfortably on a yoga mat in Sukhasana position. Keep your back straight and palms facing towards the sky. For this 3 minutes, our intention is to just focus on breathing. Inhale deep through your nose into your stomach and exhale it out through your mouth. As you inhale, feel the gentle rise of your stomach and allow it to sink in as you exhale. While performing breathing process, keep your eyes closed and sit comfortably. Do not stress over any part of your body and just pay attention on breathing. If your mind starts wandering off during this kriya, do not stress about it. Just sit there relaxed and pay attention only on breathing. Bring your focus in between your eyebrows. Try and think only about good and positive thoughts. With this kriya, our intention is to just focus on breathing. Do not stress over mind and body. Just try and think about good positive thoughts and continue inhaling deep and exhaling it out. The benefits of deep breathing are it helps in relaxing mind and body as well as it helps in losing weight. Do this kriya every day for few minutes before you start your day for the best and life-changing experiences. And gently take your time and stretch your arms and legs. Bring your legs under your hip one by one to sit in Vajrasana position, which is also known as diamond pose. Make sure your back is straight and your big toes are touching each other. If you are not comfortable sitting in this position, Part your legs and sit comfortably on mat in Vajrasana. Now start rotating your head from center towards your right and feel the stretch on the left side of neck muscle. Back to center towards your left and feel the stretch on the right side of neck muscle. Now back to center, then stretch up. Back to center and then drop down. Keep breathing on normal pace and follow the same procedure for about 3 to 5 times. Do it very slowly and gently. Do not make any swift movement. This neck rotation exercise helps in strengthening neck muscles and sculpting the jawline. Position and make yourself comfortable. Keep your back straight and your hands should not be ahead or back. It should remain right under your shoulder line. Keep your knees right under your hip. As you inhale, lift your head and chest up towards the ceiling and allow your belly to drop towards the floor. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling and let your head drop towards your chest. Inhale, head and chest towards the ceiling, let your belly drop. Exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, let your head drop towards your chest. This pose is called Chakravasana, which is also known as cat and cow pose. It helps in improving balance and posture. This asana also helps in reducing back pain and stiffness. While performing this asana, keep your breath in synchronized motion. It helps in reducing the stress as well as relaxes the whole body. Repeat this asana for about 5 to 10 times. Now slowly come back to Vajrasana and from Vajrasana go to a child's pose, which is also known as Bal Asana. Take a few good deep breaths here. This asana helps in relaxing and reduces anxiety. If you are not comfortable sitting in this pose, then part your legs and go comfortably down into the Bal Asana. Take a few good deep breaths here and prepare yourself for the next asana. Once you are done with the repetitions of all the asanas, relax for about 30 seconds to a minute. Take few good deep breaths and then start a beautiful day. Namaste. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग टुडेज सेशन. आई होप आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. एंड इफ़ यू हैव लाइक टुडेज वीडियो, प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव मी दैट थम्स अप. ऑल्सो शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली एंड लेट मी नो आपके थॉट्स इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज़ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन दैट बेल आइकन so that whenever I upload next time you will get notified. As well as subscription is totally free, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys very soon with many more such exciting contents. Until then, keep drinking water, stay happy and healthy. Bye bye.